Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to order on Meesho app. How do you place an order on Meesho app? The first thing I'd like you to do is to open up or launch a Meesho application, which of course I have done right here. Now the next thing is, how can you download Meesho app? Launch any of your store applications. So let's say you're using Google Play Store for Android phone or you're using Apple Store for iPhone. Launch them and go ahead and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type Meesho and follow through the on-screen instructions to install. And after installing, it's going to take you right into the sign up page where you're going to be asked to either log in using an existing account or to create an entirely new account. Now, whichever one you choose, once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic page where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Meesho. So now let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to order on Meesho. So from here, let's say I want to order a Bluetooth speaker or anything that has to do within the category of electronics. So over here I have this mobile holder that is looking at me. It's looking so gorgeous. I want to place an order, so I'm just going to click on that, and here we have add to cart and buy now. I'm just going to click on buy now. So this is size, and the size is free size. So I'm just going to select that free size and click on buy now. Now I will not be able to proceed with this because my account is restricted, but if you have no restrictions on your account and you've signed in successfully, once you click on buy now, it's going to take you to the checkout page. The next page you're going to find is the checkout page where you can now add your delivery address, or you can change your delivery address whatever you want and just confirm the order. You're going to see the order summary, and after doing that page, you're also going to see the payment method that you're going to be asked to choose. So choose any of the payment method, add your credit and debit card or your debit card details, or use any of the payment methods that's just going to be displayed, and go ahead and click on order. And after clicking on order, that's going to be it. You're going to be debited and you'll be able to place that order on Meesho. So this is pretty much the process. I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.